How make accuracy in accounting and finance by following policies and procedures. Accuracy in accounting and finance can be achieved by following policies and procedures that are designed to ensure that financial transactions are recorded accurately. Here are some steps you can take to improve accuracy in accounting and finance. Develop and implement accounting policies and procedures. This includes creating policies and procedures for financial transactions, such as accounts payable and receivable, inventory management. These policies should be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure they are up to date and in compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Use accounting software. Utilize accounting software to automate the financial transaction process and reduce the likelihood of manual errors. Accounting software can also generate financial reports quickly and accurately. Segregate duties. Separating duties among different employees can help prevent fraud and errors. For example, the person responsible for processing invoices should not also be responsible for reconciling bank statements. Conduct regular audits. Regular internal and external audits can help identify errors or discrepancies and ensure compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Train and educate employees. Providing training and education to employees on accounting policies and procedures can help to understand the importance of accuracy in financial transactions. By following these steps, you can improve accuracy in accounting and finance and ensure that your financial statements are reliable and accurate.